Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Chebe Powder Shea Butter mixture for my hair. So I do use avocado oil, peppermint essential oil, and lavender essential oil, okay? And I will insert the link to where I get all of these ingredients. The Shea Butter is also bought from the same place as the essential oils, okay? So you want to make sure all of this stuff is legit, okay, because this Chebe powder is expensive. It was $25 from the website that I purchased it from, also going to be in the description. And for that reason, it is not to be played with. I don't want to mix something that is pure with some I don't know, sea level oils, because that's not it. I want it to give what it's supposed to give. So right now I'm just allowing that to melt. You guys saw I put the hot water in the black pot and I put this pot inside that one. So this is just allowing it to melt. I would not suggest putting this in the microwave. Whenever you microwave anything, it changes it in ways that you cannot understand. So right now I'm just pouring in the avocado oil because I like avocado oil for my hair. I basically live by it. And now I'm going to add in some lavender oil. Lavender oil is very good for your hair as well. I'm not really sure. This step can probably be skipped because it depends. If you like the scent of lavender oil, then I say add it. If not, then you can definitely skip this step because this mixture is going on my hair, not my scalp. That's very important to like really pay attention to. You cannot put this on your scalp by any means. Basically it's really strong, so if you put it on your scalp, there's a possibility it can make your hair fall out. It could agitate your scalp. So it's really meant for your hair strands only, and that's only because there's so many herbs and stuff inside of the Chebe powder that it can really like affect your scalp in a way that it doesn't affect your actual hair shaft. You feel me? So this is where I got it from. Well, this is the brand, and I'll insert where I got it from in the description. And I just added in, you know, like a good amount. I feel like that's a good amount. But at the time I kind of got a little nervous, so I do end up adding the rest of the Shea Butter, like the entire 14-ounce container of Shea Butter later, okay? And the reason being is because I wanted this to be like a dark grayish color. I've seen other companies selling a similar type of mixture, and their combination comes out to be like a light gray, and I think that's because they're using less Chebe powder. So I wanted mine to be more potent, and you know, I wanted to get the similar results to the Chad women. You know, I wanted it to be as dark as theirs is, and when I was doing my research, I saw that it came out kind of like this color, but obviously there was no Shea Butter involved. It was probably just oils. So I obviously wanted mine to be more of a thicker consistency. So you know, I had to think about it a little bit before I started mixing these ingredients together. So I will say that this really came out really good. I will also say that this in no means makes your hair grow. It just helps, you know, retain the length of the strands that are there. All right, so if you want your hair to grow more, you have to eat better, and you have to drink a lot of water, and you have to really take care of your hair. So this is one major step. The women of Chad, they do not, you know, they don't really mess with their hair a lot. It's typically in their braids, and they typically just put this oil on the hair strands, and that's it. Like, they just repeat this over and over again, and that's why their hair is growing so long and it's so beautiful and so strong. And that's the key here. So I do make this oil for a protective style, and you guys will be able to see, because the average person cannot keep this in their hair for too long, because you know, in America our standards are different, so we wash our hair a lot more, and that's that. So I did put this in the fridge, and it came out like this. It's really nice and thick. If you want it to be more airy, more, you know, more light, then you can put it in like you can whip it in the, I don't know what the hell the machine is called, but basically you can whip it so that it's lighter, and you know, that's it. So if you guys really want to see how I incorporate this in my hairstyle, click over to my following video about me doing my boho locks, and you will see everything that you need to know, and I will go into more details. So later, guys.